So in this video I'm going to show you how to finish those tiny gaps behind doors where it's only sort of 20 mils and you can't get any tools in there, you can't get the paper tape in there. I'll show you how to do that now using just some Profiller sealant, small paintbrush and some water, and we'll just finish that off nicely for you. So here we go. So here we go, you can see we've got a cupboard space here. I've done all the internal corners. I can do up above, but this gap all the way down here, there's just no room to put tape or anything. So we use a flexible silicone. We'll just fill that gap. It's really good that the plasterboard has been pushed in right against that bit there, so that makes it a lot easier for us. If it's too hard to get your finger in there to wipe the silicone, I'll show you a little trick using a paintbrush and some water. So we're just using Gorilla Pro Graps filler, good little flexible silicone, and we'll just turn that in there. We just got to be careful. I just did that one side of the internal this morning. We're just going to run that down that gap. All the way down. We'll even fill that bit there at the bottom where the skirting is a bit short. And we're just going to use a wet brush, and we can just run that up there, just in one stroke. Clean off there. I'll just finish that top bit off there, and there we go, done. Just like that, done. That's the back of a cupboard. That'll never be seen, but it's just nice to finish things off properly so there's no gaps anywhere. This side here, we might as well do that as well since we got it out. This side you can use your finger. It's done as well. All done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that little tip there with the paintbrush. See you on the next one.